Hey besties, it's the Tintita back again with a Maths video. So today we're going to look at the properties of straight line, and this is for grade 9 most specifically, but grade 10 and grade 11 you can still use it for revision of Euclidean geometry. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one, which is vertical opposite angles. So vertical opposite angles, it is for those who love pirates. So yeah, pirates for life. Anyways, I hate soccer. So okay, so what you need to know about vertical opposite angles is that the angles which are opposite, how opposite, you're asking yourself. So this angle, you can see that it is actually pointing which angle? These angles. So these are known as opposite angles. So in this one, the opposite angles, I'm going to use opposite angles, they are equal. So let's say here we have an angle that is equal to, let's say we're 40 degrees. Let's say here we're 40 degrees. So this angle here, which is pointing it's equal to 40 degrees. Okay, and also it still means that this angle here will be equal to which angle? Angle here. Simple as that. So that's all that you need to know when it comes to vertical opposite angles. The angles which are opposite the cross, no, not opposite the cross, the angles which are opposite are actually equal. Now let us look at the last example. Let's say here we have 20 degrees and you're asked to find x. So you're gonna say, okay, your x will equal to 20 degrees. The reason being vertical opposite angle. Remember to write your reason so that you can get the second mark. Okay, now let us look at the straight line. Another one thing that you need to know about straight line, and which is really important, is that straight lines, the sum of angles in a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So sum of angles, this actually means angles, for those who don't know, sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So let's say here you are given 120 degrees and you're asked to find x. So simply you're just gonna say, okay, your x plus 120 degrees, it's equals to 180 degrees. Therefore you're gonna take this one to this side, and when it jumps the equal sign, it's going to change its sign. So that means that your x will equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. Simple as that. Now let us look at the one which is my favorite, by the way, and that is revolution. So what you need to know about revolution is the same thing as angles around a point. So sometimes it might be called angles around a point because it's the angles from here, is the sum of angles from here to here. Okay, so they add up to 360 degrees. I know I wrote add up to this. They add up to 360 degrees. So that means that when you add up those angles, they need to give you what? 360 degrees. Oh, let's say here we are given an angle which is 40 degrees, and here we are given 120 degrees. This angle is equal to 120 degrees, and here this angle is 40 degrees, and let's say this angle is 140 degrees, and then you are asked to find angle A. So what you're going to do is so simple, as I'm thinking of getting my red one. So yeah, I'm back. So what you're going to do, you're gonna just say A plus 120 plus 40 plus 140, it's equals to 360 degrees, and your reason is going to be revolution, and then after that you're gonna simply solve for A. So these are really important things and basics when it comes to mathematics, so make sure you master and do not cram this. And for grade 9, if you want a separate video which will be dealing with examples for parallel lines properties as well as straight line properties, just comment down below. But for now, bye and peace. Thank you so much for watching, guys.